Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 18, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by 3.5 points to 25.60 and 3/4 per contract. All in all, the markets really took their cue right around 6 o'clock in the morning. They've started to move up. Now they're down ticking a little bit. We'll see how we open up. There was some economic data released around 8:30 in the morning. I think it was about housing starts. But again, the market really doesn't care too much about anything these days. Seems to finish flat to positive almost every day. So we'll see what today brings in, and we'll take it slow and steady. So let's get started here with stocks in the news. First one I'm going to start off the day with is going to be IBM. IBM gapping up pretty nicely this morning. So the stock closed at $146.54. It's now trading at $156.10. This is the biggest move I can remember for IBM in quite a while. So IBM on the move here. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I will have gap resistance levels ready to go in IBM. So again, if you're looking to trade this, trade it along with side of us. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We will be trading IBM today. And again, we have gap resistance levels in play already. Let's take a look at Lam Research, LRCX. They reported earnings last night after the closing bell. You'll see the stock right now trading at $197.30, closed at $194.55. If you own this stock, I would immediately trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be jumping in up here. Just take a look at this monthly chart, and what you'll see is just a parabolic move. And now it's nearing the 200 level. Now the 200 level is probably going to be some natural resistance just because you have the even number, whole round number there. But the reality of it is this is way overbought here already. If you take a look at that 10-minute chart, you'll see this is just way overcooked. Good chance you get to the 200 level today. Aggressive traders may want to trade it on the short side, but we'll see how it plays out once we get there and how it gets there. That'll tell us a little bit more, but keep it on the radar today. Let's take a look at CP, which is Canadian Pacific Railway. Stock right now is trading at $170 and a penny. Again, no real volume down here, but it is up ahead of the opening bell. This stock closed at $167.16. I'm showing resistance around 172.50 Pierce, maybe 172.70. So again, somewhere around there. There'll be some decent resistance for Canadian Pacific Railway. We'll keep it on the radar. This could give a lift to some of the other railroad stocks, so keep those on the radar as well. NSC is another one, KSU. So again, CSX, they reported yesterday. So again, we'll see how that plays out. Next up, I want to talk about Cree LED light bulb maker, or patent holder, I should say. Right now, the stock right here is trading at $28.78, closed at $29.34. So a little bit of down ticking. I don't see any harm done here. So again, the stock's fine right now. No play on it at the moment. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Again, just a little down tick from yesterday's close. Let's take a look at Abbott Labs. I'm not exactly sure of the news here. I don't think it's earnings, but Abbott is trading up a little bit today. Closed at 55.06. Now trading at 55.89. Briefly sprung up above the 56.40 level, but that is pulled back. Nothing to do yet on that one. Let's take a look at Chipotle Mexican Grill. Stock is selling off today on the back of a downgrade. If you were a member of In the Money Stocks, you know yesterday I talked about Chipotle Grill, stalling out up here at resistance. And nice little pullback today. I believe this is on the back of a downgrade. So again, CMG pulling in. Again, nothing to do here, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if it gives us any opportunities there. Right now, there's not much I'm looking to do with this stock at the moment. A level I would consider would be around the 312 level. So keep that on the radar today, 312, 312 and a quarter. Somewhere there, the stock does look like it could get an intraday bounce. But again, we'll look at this and re-examine it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at ESRX, which is Express Scripts. Stock is selling down today. Closed at 55.21, now trading at 55.47. So this is a pretty good little sell-off. I have a feeling this has something to do with CVS striking a deal with Anthem. So let's take a look at CVS today. CVS Healthcare, you can see that's trading at 73 and a quarter, up from 72.63. So good little move there. Next up, we want to take a look at Anthem. ANTM is the stock symbol there. That stock's trading at 187.26. It briefly got to 189, has pulled back to the flat line. So interesting enough. Let's take a look at EA, which is Electronic Arts. Stock is trading down today. It's 113.61. Closed at 115.98 yesterday. So this is a good little haircut here for Electronic Arts. I'm not sure of the news. I don't think it was earnings, but you never know. I'll look into this a little bit. We'll see if we can find some levels once the opening bell rings. Not much I'm looking to do with it yet, but EA will be on our radar today once the opening bell rings. Let's look at Select Comfort. SCSS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $29.30. So that is down from yesterday's close, which was $30.38, but only down by $1. Not that big a deal. You can see the stock yesterday after the closing bell sold off a lot more, but it has recovered a bit. So we'll see how that plays out. You also want to look at TPX, which is Tempur-Pedic. That's also playing in sympathy to Select Comfort. And right now that's trading at $64.19, down from $65.28. Still a lot of support around the 61.25 level. All right, so we have all of these stocks and a lot more. Earnings season's just getting underway. Tonight after the closing bell, I think we have a ton of companies reporting, so get ready for that. Let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold down another $5.80 to $1,280.40 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, what you'll see here is that is trading at 121.46. So again, gold pulling back a little bit more here this morning. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings, but not much I'm looking to do with it just yet. Crude oil up 60 cents, make that 59 cents ahead of the opening bell. Right now, crude oil is trading at $52.48 a barrel. So crude oil on the move again. Oil has been very, very strong. Here's a chart of the USO. Good chart for tracking crude oil's movement. And you'll see that's trading at 10.53, up from the 10.49 close yesterday. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. Gap season is underway, and all of these stocks mentioned today are in play. These are just day trade stocks. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over and take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You get all of our trades and more. And we've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.